In this video, we'll teach you how to purchase items on eBay using Vanilla Visa gift card. First of all, you need to open your eBay account, then click My eBay in the top right corner and go to the payments. Right here, you can't directly add Vanilla Visa gift card, you need to add PayPal. So in this case, you also need to have PayPal account. First of all, you need to go to your PayPal account, then you need to click Add Card or Bank, then click Link a Credit Card, and right here, you need to link your Vanilla Visa gift card to your PayPal account. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and click on Link Card. Once you will link your Vanilla Visa gift card to your PayPal account, then you need to go to the eBay, click on Add Cards, then click Checkout, click Continue, and from here you need to choose PayPal, then click Continue, and then Agree and Continue. So we successfully added our PayPal account to eBay, and if your Vanilla Visa gift card is linked to your PayPal account and it's the only thing that is linked to your PayPal, then you can buy anything from eBay and you will pay with your Vanilla Visa gift card using the PayPal. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.